What is your name?
My name is Heidi Abeliar.
How old are you?
I'm 42 years old.
What is your religion?
I am a Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have son or daughter?
I have 3 children and my youngest is boy.
Okay, so how old your kids?
18,
Mm.
17, and 15. 16.
Okay, how long you have been working in Hong Kong?
I'm working here in Hong Kong about 8 years now.
Okay, do you have working experience in other countries?
No, ma'am.
How long you have been working with your current employer in Hong Kong?
4 years, ma'am.
Okay, where is your latest employer living in?
I'm working now in Kwun Tong.
Okay, how many square feet of your employer's house?
It's like
800?
800 square feet, ma'am.
Okay, how many family members are they?
3, ma'am.
Couple and
Couple and a son.
one kid. How
Yes,
old the
ma'am.
kid when you came?
3.5, ma'am.
Boy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning like 5:30 in the morning.
Okay.
And then cook the breakfast for the kids.
And
and
after
then-
that, do you do the household chores?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
Like cleaning. In the morning,
Cleaning?
in the morning, ma'am, after I take the kids from go to school, and then when I come back, I need to prepare for the my employer's lunch box,
Okay, so
and then
after
go for
that,
and then after wash the
clothes?
clothes, and then cleaning all the house, and the toilet, the kitchen, like that, and go to groceries.
Okay, so you go to market.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you prepare dinner?
Yes, ma'am.
What time?
It's like 7 o'clock in the evening.
What time do you eat for the dinner?
It's like, ma'am, past 7:30, like that.
Until what time you go to sleep?
We're sleeping like 9:30.
Where will
in
you
the-
go on your holiday?
I stay in the park, ma'am.
Stay in the park. Do you meet your friends?
Have, ma'am, one. Sorry.
Okay, so what kind of household chores are you good for?
It's like cleaning,
Mm-hmm.
cooking, washing, ironing,
And?
taking care of kids.
Okay, so what is your job in your country before you came to Hong Kong?
I work, ma'am, in a factory.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.